How to add overlay in CapCut. So if you want to add an overlay, then first you need to open up CapCut application. Once you open your CapCut, now you need to go for create project. Under create project, go for import, and you need to import your videos. So for example, I'll be choosing one or two videos. Once you've chosen your video, you need to drag your first video. And once you've dragged, you need to go for import again and again choose a second video. Click on open. Once you've choose the second video, now you need to again drag that video to the bottom and you need to overlay that, or you need to drag that video on the upper side of the existing video. So once you have the video, you need to adjust it. Once you've adjusted, now you will have two videos, right? And here you will have an option of blend, right? You need to simply click on blend, and under blend, you need to go for default and you need to choose overlay. Once you've chosen overlay, now you need to simply choose the opacity. I'll be choosing 100. And once you've choose, now here you will have the overlay video. So you can play your video, and that's it. That's how you can overlay videos on CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.